So this is, I'm showing you how to sign up for the Splash Learn 7-day free trial. So before you sign up, it actually will ask you like what time you want your child to go on the app, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to go to the app at that time. But here are the options. So you can start your 7-day free trial. You have a monthly 11.99. You have the yearly and the family. So I did enter my card information because you have to enter for you to be able to start the trial. And you click on that, and then as soon as you click on that, it should go um, to the app itself. So this is your view. Um, right now, actually, that trial that I paid for was supposed to, after 7 days, did not go through. So it will just show you the basic free interface right now. So this is what you see on the Splash Learn app. You see curriculum, game
Hello,
center.
my name is Splashy. Welcome to Splash Learn. Come take a deep dive with me into the secrets of my world.
All right, so there's actually curriculum there, game
Home,
zone, and live
picked out the very
classes.
best just for you. Go ahead and get started with your learning adventure.
You would need a grown-up's help here.
All right, so you can unlock all by subscribing, which I did check that. So right now it's just showing that I'm on the starter pack free. Uh, that's what the free trial consists of. So what you want to do is you make sure that you actually note down when you did the free trial so you don't get charged. So that's it. That's just an overview of the Splash Learn app.